What is SIP trunking service? Let's say you have an on-premise phone system and you're happy with how it works for now. But what if you are not happy with your telephone service provider monthly cost, or even its features, such as your analog line or old digital line of PRI? What if you are looking to add new features and functions, such as SMS text messaging on landline phone numbers, conference bridge, fax to email services, virtual assistance auto attendant, or E911 compliance? With 101 Voice SIP trunking, not only you can keep your on-premise PBX system and existing phones to extend your ROI, but also you can receive SMS without having SMS gateway, have conference bridging without need of having on-premise hosting server, have compliance with E911, Carrie's Law, and Ray-Bombs Act. Also, you may add fax to email and email to fax services right from the cloud. You may port your existing numbers and also add more telephone numbers from other area codes or international locations to expand your business services reach, in addition to toll-free numbers from US and Canada. These are some of the features that you can have through 101 Voice SIP trunking service. It is important to note that our SIP trunk service is enabled with Channel on the Fly, which will automatically increase inbound and outbound call traffic by 25% in an event of sudden increase of your organization call traffic without giving busy signal. Additionally, in case of an emergency, power or network outage at your business location, calls can be rerouted to your cell phone or alternative destination to be able to provide service to your callers. So if you are interested in taking advantage of this feature for your business, or having any questions, please feel free to contact us via phone at 408-739-1000 or email sales@101voice.com. Our sales and consulting team will be more than happy to assist you. 101 Voice is an award-winning managed cloud phone system provider that has been serving business, government, and education organizations along with healthcare providers since 2009.